Hello, am I audible?
Yes, madam.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, how are you all? Miru ella unnaru?
Fine.
Okay. So, I am. This is my first session. So, to means in the upcoming sessions, I will learn a little Telugu from all of you. This I Google translated, and so Neha was asking. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Neha was asking that do you like cutting vegetables? So today we will means using sign language. Means if it is yes, every time you do means it if it is yes, we will be a thumbs up, and if it is a no, it will be a thumbs down. Okay, so anytime you can unmute yourself and ask if any doubt is there. So first let us introduce myself. I am Shilpa Bansal. I work in here as in CCL, and means my interest is in mathematics. So we develop content in mathematics and science. And you means 10 sessions have already been over. And do you enjoy doing that? So this one or this one? Do you enjoy the activities which we do? Okay. Janagaon KGBV Jafarnagar saying yes. And what about Suvarna? Suvarna? What about Suvarna? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. BKDM KGBV. Okay. And today I think some test was there, na? Mathematics test was there. Yes, no? So how was the test? Easy questions or hard questions? Easy or hard? Okay, okay. Okay. So today we will be cutting. You have brought your aloo. Means I know. I don't know if in means Andhra and Telangana they don't eat much potato, na? You don't eat much potato. My two friends were there. They used to say that in 1 month only one or 2 kilo potatoes they used. But in North India we eat lots of potato. So, but today we will not eat or cook, but we do some maths with it. Okay, so let me show you a picture. So have you seen this picture anywhere? Any statue or
Shilpa
picture?
Didi, Shilpa
Yes.
Didi, 1 second.
Huh.
Archana ma'am from Adilabad, are you here? Okay. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am from Rangareddy district, if you are here, can you please unmute yourself and tell us so I can make you the co-host? I can't see you in the participant list. Archana ma'am from Adilabad, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am from uh, Rangareddy district. Are you here? Please unmute yourself and quickly, if you can tell us, Manjula from Warangal. Manjula ma'am, are you here in the meeting so that we can unmute you? Sorry, make you the co-host. Okay, so nobody is here. All right. So, okay, Shilpa Didi, you can continue.
Okay, okay. So when they come, we will make them co-host. Okay. So I was showing you a picture. So this one. So have you anywhere you have seen this picture? So this in Japan they sell statue like this one. Okay. Let me have a look. Whoever is there. So have you seen? Yes or no? Means up, thumbs up or thumbs down you can show. Okay, thumbs up. BKDM, KGBV, they are saying that they have seen this statue. Anywhere else they have seen in market or in anybody's home? Okay, so let me tell you about this one. So this one is called a Happy Man. Happy man because he used to means he was the incarnation of Buddha. So he used to smile a lot. Means as you're smiling now, no? So he used to smile a lot. So his name was, that's why he is called Laughing Buddha, because Buddha has many Buddha has many incarnations, means very avatars. So he was called her happy man. And people, when they used to rub his belly, means stomach, he used to smile and laugh, and prosperity, luck, and wealth used to come to them. So that's why now also the tradition is going on. So they say that if you keep his statue in your home, means the prosperity and wealth and luck come to you. Okay. So today we are not why I showed you this picture. Means today we are not going to make this happy man, but we will make another interesting, because we have aloo. So we will be doing, means this is called, what I have written, potato man or aloo man. So it is so it is looking like a funny structure. Means why it is called aloo man? Can anyone say? You are muted, but means this is an aloo man because we will make him with aloo, है ना? So now for what? So what is the structure of an aloo? Anyone can write in their message. What is means how aloo looks like? What is the shape of an aloo or potato? So I will be using stem and some aloo, or sometimes I will use potato. So what is the shape of this? You can write in message.
Oval.
Oval, yes. It is a shape of an egg, oval.
Oval shape.
Yes, oval shape, or sometimes round aloo also comes in market, means so. But our shape here, can you see any round picture? Round means structure. His face is square shape. Yeah, his face is square shape. His ear is triangle shaped. So, but we have to make it. It is called a potato man. So we have to means use potato, na? So what we will do? First of all, you have to take out a cube. Means what is a cube? Everyone knows.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everyone knows that this is called a cube, है ना? Why? Because it has square faces. Means all faces are squares. Okay.
Equal.
Equal. Yeah. All faces, this length, and this length. Everything are equal. So, and it has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces.
6 faces.
Yes. So, is it a cube? Is it a cube? This box I have, is it a cube? No, yes. Yeah, perfect. It is a cuboid because its face is a rectangle. Means this rectangle or this rectangle. So, but we don't want this one. We want this cube from the potato. So, first of all, let me show you how to cut a potato into a cube shape. So, today we will work in groups. Okay. So, everyone make a group of 4 or 5. And with one aloo, with one potato with you, and it is a group activity. Okay. So 3, 4 groups.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 3, 4 groups. Okay. Let 1 second. Okay. Okay. So now I will be taking you to the overhead. So okay. So you may have potato of different sizes. See, I have here 3 size potatoes. So if it is a very big potato, you can make 3 cubes out of this. Okay. So make 3 cuts. Means after means hear the instruction carefully and then use. Okay. We have to be very clever with our cubes. Sunita, ma'am, yes, it's very good. Okay, so let's do what means how to do this one. If it is a small potato, we can cut only 1 cube out of this. So I will be using a medium size potato. So I will be doing here 2 cubes. If it is a big cube, medium size, make 2 cubes out of this. If it is a big cube, big potato, so make 3 cuts, okay? And cut a cube out of this. So first of all, I will cut it from the middle. because it is medium size. Okay. So now what you have to do, cut its rounded part. So biggest cube you have to cut from this one. Okay. And now, so it is not cut it properly. So I will cut it like this. Now I have to get straight side because cube has a straight side. So I have to cut off its rounded part. So I will cut like this. Okay, one side I got, one plane surface I got. Similarly, I will get another plane surface from here. Okay, and two plane surfaces I got, and then from here. So I will give you for 2-3 minutes, then you will cut. So everyone can cut their potato in cubes. Okay. So now I got, it is not looking like a potato cube. So you have to carve it properly. So now you get a basic structure. Now make it a cube. So you can cut it properly like this. I have this much length. So I will make it this cube. So like this. And this is again bigger. So what I will do, I will again cut a little. So, okay. I will use this half potato again. So cut your cubes from this one. So make it even. So, okay. So keep a paper also with you. After this, we need a paper. So so this is a cube. See, everywhere I got 6 square faces I got. Okay. So I will give you 2-3 minutes. Cut your cube out of the potato. Till then, I am using the second half to cut another one. Okay. So this is my one cube. Now next half I will also make it a cube. Till then you also cut. Okay. So 6 straight cuts I need. This one 3. This. Okay. So now it is looking like a bucket. So let me make it a cube. Okay. So very good cuts you need. Okay. So cut it like this. And since it is small, I have made it this small. So I will cut it from down. Okay. So a little finishing is required. So it may be small cube, it may be large, but we will make it in groups. So ears will be small and means his belly will be large. So we need all sorts of sizes of means cubes. Okay. So I got another cube. You can make it much finer than me. Okay. Much nicer than me. Okay. So I got this one, I got it a small. This one was a big, let it be. So if you have bigger one, so cut 3 cubes out of this. Okay, okay. So I have this one. Till now you cut. Okay. So let me see who have completed. Okay. Let me do. Who is first to show? क्या हुआ? अच्छा अच्छा दिख नहीं रहा. हाँ ओके. हाँ स्पीकर पे स्पीकर ये देखो. ओके ओके. हाँ सुवर्णा have it. Okay. Okay. So BKDM, KGVV, yeah, everyone has cut. I can see many girls there. Everyone has cut. Those who have cut, show me a thumbs up. This is one cube for all of you. Okay. Any other cube? I need for Aloo Man.
The group, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So in class, I need 4 cubes. To complete the Aloo Man, I need 4 cubes. Okay. So cut more. Okay. If you have more students in your class, tell them also to cut. So someone will cut that 5-side, someone will make his belly and someone will make his ears. So in total, 4 cubes I need per class. Every class I need 4 cubes. And they will share. They will make their ears and then they will share it with others. So cut more, okay, if you have. Okay, yeah, I can see. And now another. Okay. KGVV, Linga. I have to read, okay. Lingala, Ghanpur. So don't laugh at my pronunciation. In upcoming sessions, it will be good. So, so make, do 4. If in groups, means one group do 1 cube, second group do 2nd cube, third group do 3rd cube. Similarly, in each class, every class I need 4 cubes. 4 cubes. Okay. So if there is a big aloo, potato, cut it in half and do 2 and okay, very nice. Okay. So let's proceed. Everyone is, Shamshabad was also done. Yes, very nice. Yeah, 2 cubes are there. 2
KGV
more
is
cubes.
ma'am.
Can you do 2 more cubes? Is there potato there? Can you make 2 more cubes? Okay, let's see. Okay. If there will be required, we will do. Okay. Very good. So, very nice. Okay. So, let's proceed. Suvarna also they did. And what about Adilabad? Adilabad is doing? KGVV Sirisila, they have turned 4 cubes. Okay, very nice. So, in now we will come, proceed and we will see your activity in the next. Okay. So, Adilabad, मैंने किया हुआ है. Adilabad, are you doing? I show you happy man, na? So you should be happy. So
Ma'am, Adilabad, they are doing, ma'am.
They're doing? Okay, very good, very good. So, means you show me in your hand, okay? Afterwards, whenever you make cut and your potato man, so you show me, okay? Okay, so you should be happy. Everyone should be happy because we are taking inspiration from happy man. Then only luck and prosperity will come, okay? The knowledge will come. Okay, so let's proceed. मेरा पिन है पिन हो रखा है okay. So let's do. Okay, so now next what we can do, so let me again show you my yeah. So how was the happy man? So what part of the face can I do with this one? I will take a paper. So what part of face I can do it? I will use now stamp or haldi water. Okay. So now, so I have here my haldi. So I hope you don't have mixed water in this. So you have to make a thick paste so that you can stamp on it. Okay. So which portion of the body I can make my body means I will do stamp and haldi also. See. Means you have to make a thick paste so that it will not be runny water. So you can do this. So first of all, I will make a stamp of his face. So each face is a square. So Aloo Man's face I will get from this one. So I will press it and I will get my square. Hai na? So it is a nice square. So you can do either with this or you can use, wait. So
We will outline
this one, since it has 4 sides, I will draw the outline. So this one. So for showing you, I am drawing. If you want, you can draw the outline, else it is not today. So those who are doing with stamp, they can use this stamp to do their Aloo Man. Let me take another page. No, those who have haldi water, they can use haldi, make haldi water, means thick haldi water. And those who have stamp, they can use their stamp to do. Okay. So let me do this one. It is. So you have to press it. So, do this one. So this one. So I will do it outline. So if you have cut properly, it will be a complete means square. Okay. So this one was the haldi water. So whichever you have, either kumkum also if you have, you can use your kumkum. You use your kumkum every day. So that's why you can use kumkum water or haldi means turmeric powder dissolved in water, or you can use stamp. Whichever you can use to make your potato man. Okay. So now onwards, I will be using stamp. So I will keep it aside. Okay. So now, zoom on. So everyone is done with this one. Everyone stamped because it is a surface is a square. So it will be a square. Okay. So when you press it, it will be a form a square. Now, how I will get another square after cutting it? Zoom on. Okay. Zoom on. Okay. So can you show me whoever has done? Can you show? Okay. So we will move very slowly. Okay. So we will move very slowly. So let me see you. Okay. Okay. Nice. KGV Lingaraj. Okay. So Ghanpur they have done. Now. If it is very means water, add haldi to it. It will be very nice. Hai? So if it is becoming very watery, so add a little haldi or a turmeric to it. You will get a very good paste. So how you apply on your face, na? Like that. So chopper dandi. But don't do like means various stamps you don't do because you need a Aloo Man. So you will make his body also, his hand also, his ears also. So make one stamp, one square in middle. Okay, in middle of the page, do only one square. Very nice. But use another page to make one square. Okay, use this as a rough page. But for Aloo Man, you need only one square in the middle. Okay. And now KGV Makkal, they are doing very nice. Okay. KGV HSP maths, you have done it in the corner, but take another paper or fold it, reverse it, and do it in the upper portion because it is the face, na? Face will come, then his nose will come, his belly will come, his ears will come. So if you do in the bottom of the page, how you will do it? Ears, his belly, his hands, hai na? So, that's nice. Shrivani Parisa, very nice. Okay. So this one. Okay. So once again, I will show you how is the Aloo Man. So you have to make his face, 2 ears, and so what is the shape of his ears? Triangle. So means his hands are a rectangle. Okay. I think and this square is called Chaturashram. Chaturashram, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. And means hands are of rectangle, means Dirgha Chaturashram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the common between them? So these are called polygons. Okay, wait. So I will write. So I have this square. Don't do this one. This is only for means showing you. Don't write. Okay. Okay. So I had triangle. I had rectangle, Dirgha Chaturasram, and I had this 5 side, his topi, his means cap, and his belly is 6 side. Hai na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So if you are writing, write in rough paper. Okay. So this is called Sad Bhuji, I think. So 6 side, है ना? So these are called polygons. Why polygons? Poly means bahu. Okay, I am writing it
Many.
in Hindi. Means so poly means bahu, and gons I think it is bhuji. Bahubhuji or Bahubhujam or Bahubhujalu, I think means I don't know which is the correct one. So Bahubhuji, Bhuji, or it is Bahubhujam,
Many.
whichever is correct. Can you correct me? Okay, so it is. You can means Hindi if I skip. So Bahubhuji means Bahu means it is many because it is 3,
Many.
it is 4, it is 4 side, it is 5 side, it is 6 side. So these are called Bahubhuji. And why it is called? Because it means it should be closed. Everyone is closed. So is this a Bahubhuji?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it should be of straight lines. Means this is straight, this is straight, this is straight. Is this a Bahubhuji? Polygon?
No, ma'am.
No, because it is not closed. I have to close this one. So I need another line. So this one is a polygon. Now, and it should be of straight lines. I am drawing another picture. Is this a polygon?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Who says yes and who says no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
So Dasif Pet, what you are saying?
KD and KGB, no, ma'am.
So Dasif Pet, what are you saying? Is it a polygon, Bahubhuji, or is it not?
No, ma'am.
Yes?
No, no.
KD KGB, ma'am.
Madam.
KGB
KGB Sundarabad, no, madam.
No, madam. Okay. Yes. It is not a means why? Why it is not a polygon?
There is no straight lines.
Yes, this is not straight. It is a curved line. So, is this a means polygon?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
It is closed. It is closed. Yes.
Yes,
It
madam.
is closed and it is made of straight lines. So these are called simple one. This is not simple because it is crossing. It is means crossing. So it is not simple, but these are simple one. So first we will remember that it is polygon. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Intersecting
Yes.
and
So now today we will cut polygons from the potato and make our aloo man. Okay. So now next what we can do, see me, how I will cut another square. So whenever I tell you to cut, one group will only cut. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
From now onwards, whenever I tell to cut triangle or a pentagon or a hexagon, hexagon means 6 side. So only one group in each class, only one group will cut. Okay. So now, how will I get
No, I would do
can I get square from means any other way? Yeah, zoom poll किसे करूं? Okay, let me means I can ask you a question. Okay, so I am giving. So so I have asked you a question. How will you cut the cube in a single cut to get a square? Means don't cut, only visualize and tell me the answer. Okay, I will show you how to cut. Don't cut. So means I have to cut in a single, means one time. And how I will get another square from this one? Means the cut part will be a square. Parallel means like this. Okay, parallel means like this. Or slant means tedha, ulta means a diagonally one means. Means later. A straight line is the means parallel and means slightly bent is the slant one. Okay, so so if whoever are joining us with YouTube, they can answer, they can message their answer. So question is, how will you cut the cube in a single cut to get a square? Means one single cut and you will get a square. So the options are by making a cut parallel to the surface to one of the face, means parallel means like this if you cut from the middle, and if by making a slant cut in the cube, slant means a little bent one like this. Means if you cut like this, it will be a square, or if you means chop it like this, it will be a square. This or this.
Parallel, madam.
Parallel, yes.
Okay. Parallel.
Okay, so YouTube, those who are joining us on YouTube, they can write their answers in chat, and those who are on Zoom, they can do it on the poll. Okay. So 71 people have already answered. So there are mixed opinion. So let's see, but you don't cut, I will show you. Okay.
Parallel, ma'am.
So 76 answers we have received. Let's wait for 100. Okay. Okay. So parallel, and those who are answering parallel, there is another way that I can get a square. In how many ways I can get a square? How will I cut? So I will get a square. Is there more than one way? So those who have answered, for them there is a question that in how many ways I can cut the cube to get a square. 80 question, 81 I have answered. Please answer.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So 56 have answered by making a cut parallel to one of the face, and 25 people have answered by making a slant cut in the cube. So let's see what is the correct one. Okay.
No, ma'am.
So let's see. Okay. So don't cut, only I will show you, because we have limited number of cubes. So we will not waste them. So I have extra, so I will do. Okay. So later you can cut. So okay. Okay. Overhead I will go. So I have another cube. Okay. So I had asked, don't cut. Please, I repeat, don't cut your cube, because you have to complete your potato man. So I had asked, how will I get a square from this one? So if I cut parallel to this one, anywhere, if I can cut from here, here in the middle, what shape I will get? Let's see. Like this, if I get parallel. So let's see, I get a square. So let's do this one and show you. So here I have another paper. So here I get a square. So those who have answered this one, they are correct. So I get a square from this one. Why? Because this line was same as this line. No? My original cube was this one. Okay. So this line and this line and this line is the same. Okay. So I cut it. This line and this boundary did not change. And also this line height, this portion, the length part did not change. And also the breadth part did not change. That's why it will be anywhere you cut parallel. If I cut here also, from down also, I will get a square. So I can show you. I will get the same square. So wherever you cut from the parallel, anywhere you cut, you will get a square. Let me show you again. What I will do, what if I do a slant cut? Okay. So let me do a slant cut. Slant means go down like this. Okay. Like this, if you go down. So what I will get? Let's see.
Another piece.
So here I am doing a slant cut. And see. So it appears as a square. It will feel like a square. See. But is it a square? So this one was this. No, actually I cut this one. So it will not be a square. It feels like it is a square, but it will not be a square. Why? Because this line is the same as previous one. Okay. Where I did cut, I couldn't find. Okay. Okay. Original cube mine was this one. So I did a slant cut here. So it was a slant cut. So this was the original one line side was this one and another side of the rectangle was this one. Is it bigger than the one? Is it bigger than the previous or same? See, this one was the previous line and now the rectangle one, this is this one. So this is bigger than previously it was like this. Now it is a tilted one. Okay. So it is a rectangle, not a square. It feels like it is a square, but it is not a square because this one is not same as this one. Okay. It is a little bigger. It is this much bigger. So it is not. So every time if you cut a cube like this also, it will be a square. Okay. If you put parallel means perpendicular like this, it will be a square, but not slant one. Okay. So now coming to our potato man, next what we will get? How to cut a rectangle from this one. So we did this one, but it feels like a square. So we will ignore. So this one group you cut. Okay. So afterwards you cut. So how will you get a rectangle from this one? I will tell you finally how when you will stamp. So if I take this point, see. So if I take 2 points here and 2 points down, okay, here, okay, and cut this one, I will get a rectangle. First, okay. So now means for rectangle, I need 4 vertices. For rectangle, Dirgha Chaturashram, I need 4 vertices. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So, and 4 lines I need. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So, where, how will I do it on my cube? I will take this point, this one line, this one line, this one line, 2 line, 3 line, and down 4. Okay. I need to do in one single cut. Okay. So what I will do, I will cut like this. Okay. So I will cut straight. Means one single cut I need. Not more than one cut. So I will get what shape I will get? This is small side and this one is bigger side. So what I will get? So that means keep this. Okay. One group only will cut this one. Don't cut your 4 cubes. One group only. Cut only one cube from this. Okay. So let me stamp and show you. A little more I need to cut. So it is not straight. Okay. Now let's do. Let's try if it is doing. Okay. Okay. We can manipulate a little. So this one. So this was the. You can shade it. Because it is a little means like this, so that's why it is not coming stamping properly, but it is a rectangle. So I can do another rectangle bigger than this. Can I get a bigger rectangle than this? So keep this one after means if you are cutting this one, keep this for his hands. We will draw it later after the belly. Okay. So don't cut now. If you have cut, keep it this one. Don't throw. Keep it. So this is also a rectangle. I will do here. So this one is again a rectangle. When I will get a largest rectangle means bigger. So if I cut along this diagonal means this line, this point to this point, I will get a largest one. So cut it like this. So whichever rectangle you like, you draw his hands with that one. Okay. So I am showing you various rectangles, many rectangles. So whichever rectangle you like, you draw. Okay, this is the best rectangle. Okay, because I am cutting it from the middle. See. So if it is this one, border is this one. If I do it properly. Okay. So, so which one is bigger? This one, or this one? It is a little messy. 1, 2, 3. Which one is dirgha? Means out of these dirghas chaturashram, which one is the largest one?
Third one.
Third one. So how did I do this one? So I can show you.
Third one.
Third one, how did I get? I
I
cut from this line, opposite line. Okay, this to this. Whenever I cut, I will get the largest triangle. Rest when I cut from here or here, if I cut, I get the smallest rectangle. Okay. Okay, wait a little. So this line and this line. So everywhere I will get a rectangle. Everywhere I will get a rectangle, but bigger one I will get. So everywhere, if you cut like this, you will get a rectangle. You will get a rectangle. This you will get a rectangle. This you will cut a rectangle. This you will get a rectangle. But largest you will get from the middle. It is called diagonal. Okay. So whichever hand you like, you draw. Okay. You cut one cube, one group will cut, and it will she will share with all the class. Okay. If you cut like this, you get, my cut is not coming proper, so you get, so you can draw his hands afterwards like this. So keep this aside, it will be required for your hands. Okay, so keep this cube aside. Now next question is, so everyone is done, means rectangle, keep it aside. Okay, okay, so now let me ask you a question. So keep this aside, okay? Rectangle cube, keep it aside. After making his stomach, his belly portion, we will attach hands to him, okay? Okay, wait. Okay. So Zafargarh, we will, Aloo Man means we will make it using stamp. Means we have to cut and make, okay? We will not carve, we will not make a statue of Aloo, okay? Like marble, we will not do, we will not cut and make it. You have done very good job, but today we have to do Aloo Man using maths, okay? Potato Man. So whatever I do means, if my question is, if you cut the shape you get, from that we have to make an Aloo Man, okay? Potato Man. So we will not cut, means make his face or make his hands from the aloo or potato, okay? So we will use mathematics, we will use maths with it and draw, okay? So keep this rectangle, whichever rectangle you like, means thick hands or with thin hands, whichever your rectangle you like, keep it aside. Will after, because our Aloo Man was like this. So after making his red belly, 6-side one, we will attach hands to it. Okay, so keep this one aside. Okay, so you have done good job, but we have to use maths behind it, not means make a statue from this one. Okay, okay, sir. Now answer a question. Okay, so okay. So now means for YouTube as well as Zoom, there is a question. Is it possible to get a triangle, tribhujam, from a cube in a single cut? Means whenever you cut, the face will be a triangle. Can you get a triangle from cube? Don't cut, only visualize and tell. If you have extra cube, you can cut. But if it is leftover, you can cut. Means if it is waste, you can cut. But don't cut now. So is it possible to get a tribhujam, means 3-side triangle from this one in a single cut? Means you will do a single cut.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is saying yes? Which KGBV is saying yes? Which KGBV is saying yes? Okay. In YouTube, those who have joined in YouTube, they can answer the question. Question is it possible to get a triangle from a cube in a single cut? Okay. क्या KGBV? Gallery view. Wait. KGBV Kochampalli. Pochampalli. Okay. Okay. So can we get a triangle from a cube in a single cut? 70 people have answered. Yeah. 62 are saying yes, 9 are saying no. So once again think, you can change your answer also. Shamshabad. Show once again. Please show once again. Show. So what you are showing? Where is the triangle? Point this one. Where is the triangle? No, very nice, very nice. But only tell me. You can unmute. So how did you cut? How did you cut? What are the vertices? Means what are the points will be? So this one. Okay. No, you are saying that this one was my largest rectangle and upper one is the triangle. You are saying that one? Single cut. I need single cut. Means whenever you cut any, means place a knife, you will get a triangle from this one. Shamshabad, do you have means cut it means like this you have cut. Okay. Okay. So
look at this one.
Okay. So I have a cube like this one. You can't cut it means like this. This is not a triangle. Means like this or like this. You can't cut two cuts. You can't take. Okay. This is not a triangle. Means this is a triangle, but you have used two cuts. Means from here you cut it, and from here you cut. Means one cut here, one cut here. You can't do like this. Okay. So you can't do two cuts. You have to do only one cut. And you should get a triangle. Okay. Means you should get means only one cut and you should get. Here I got in one cut I got a rectangle. So similarly on one cut you should get a triangle. Okay. So 88 people have answered. So okay. So in YouTube no one is answering. Good afternoon to all of you, but I need answers from you. So, is it possible to get a triangle from a cube in a single cut? Means whenever you cut, the face should be a triangle. So, we need his ears, no? So, means for Potato Man to hear our voice, we need ears. So, let's try, okay? So, 78 people have said yes and 10 have said no. So, let's see what is the correct answer. Okay. So, let's proceed, okay? Okay. Okay. So now let's do how we'll do. Okay. So most of the people. What Lingala Ghanpur they are saying? Yes. Actually, I am saying yes. You are correct. Where is my? So you are correct that whenever I cut overhead. So when I cut the diagonal, I get a triangle over the surface. But I don't need this triangle. I want that whenever I get a single cut, means whenever I cut here like this, I got a triangle on this face. That I need. Means I don't need whatever happens on the other face. I don't need that one. Whenever I cut, I will get a triangle on this face. Here whatever happens, I don't need. Okay. I will keep this one for my hands. Okay. So now what we can do, if one group can do this one. So one group did means everyone got their face. Okay, so now we will do means his ears. Okay, so how we will do? Let me take a fresh page so you can see. So for triangle, how many vertices I need? How many points I need? Okay, yes. So I need 3 vertices. So what vertices I can do? So you can use this because this is the simplest one. Okay, so I can use this one, this point, and sorry, small one I can do. Okay. So these 3 points, if I touch, okay. So let me turn this one because I made a mistake. Okay. So small squares, a bit like this, I will get. If 3 points I got, and now I will join them. So here, if I do, see, I will get a triangle. So let me cut and see. Okay. So cut a small triangle, whatever I am getting. So see what I got. Stamp I will do, but let me show you these faces, what faces I am getting. I can do this stamp also. Okay. I can use this stamp. So I will get in single cut. I did only like this one and I got a triangle on the face. So I will use this as my stamp and so cut a small ear and you can stamp it. First see how it is looking. So this one, okay. So this one is good. So I will do. Okay. So maybe. Okay. So here. Okay. So once again you stamp here and see if you can get a triangle. So how I will do. So it will be little funny because it is a potato man. So let it be. His ears can be a little funky. So it is one upstairs and it is down. Let it be. Okay. So it means it is our aloo man, na? Our potato man. It can be anything. Okay. Okay. So now everyone did this one. Triangle everyone got. In corner you cut a little bit. So you will get a triangle from this one. Okay. Now how will I get equilateral triangle from this one? Equilateral means Sambahu Tribhujam. How will I get equilateral triangle from this one? Can I make it equilateral? Now my triangle was. Wait. Now border was this one. Okay. Now my triangle was this one. It is not equilateral because it is bigger, it is small. So how will I get Sambahu Tribhujam? Means equilateral triangle. Can I get? So, okay. So don't cut. Only I am showing you how to, means cut only this triangle and stamp it. Okay. Or it is your aloo man, whichever triangle means bigger ears you need, you can do. Okay. So one group, you cut this triangle and share it with your classes. Okay. So one group cut this triangle and cut this triangle. Okay, it is not visible. So share it with your classes. Everyone in the class should use one triangle. Okay, one cube. Okay. So don't cut all your cubes. Keep it for his hat and his stomach. So now how will I get my this one equilateral triangle? I will choose this midpoint, and this midpoint. Okay. So I will show you another face. Okay. From this corner, I can show you this face, middle one, midpoint of this line, midpoint of this line, and midpoint of this line. So I will get a equilateral triangle because all these are equal. And it will be a bigger triangle, bigger ear for the aloo man. Okay. So whenever I cut this one, there is my. Oh. So this messy. Okay. So whenever I cut this one, So because I chose the midpoint, this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, all the length are equal. This is equal with this is equal with this. So it is a Sambahu Tribhujam. So whenever I cut it in a single cut, passing through this, so I get a equilateral triangle. So you can make his ears from this also. So if I stamp, see, you get a perfect triangle. So one side square you can use and another side triangle you can use. Hai na? So one side you can use, I have destroyed all my sides, but this one for one side square you can use and the other side triangle you can use. Okay. So this can be used in two different ways. So if I do this one, so so like this. So you can make your Aloo Man from this also. Okay. You can color it again. Okay. So I get a equilateral triangle. So for homework question is, how will I get a largest equilateral triangle from this one? So I got if it is visible, I got a small equilateral triangle from this touching the midpoints. How will I get largest equilateral triangles? Sabse bada means very largest equilateral triangle from this. So remember how we got the largest rectangle? Hint is this one. How we got the largest rectangle? Use that method and do the largest equilateral triangle. So firstly, we will proceed on this one. So everyone has made, very nice. Shamshabad, very nice. Yes. So, yes. Lingala Ghanpur, very nice. Yes. Yeah, you can use kumkum and alag means different colors you can use. Yes. So in a single cut means whatever portion you get, that is the shape you get. Okay, that is a polygon you get. Yes, very nice. Let's make his belly and it is hat. Okay. So now one group means they can use their cube. So don't destroy all your cubes. So we need two more cubes to make his belly, and so I have another cube. So this one here you have to see very nicely, very carefully. Okay. So my paper is destroyed, but let's see. So now let's make a punch means five-sided polygon. So how will I do this one? Let's see if it is working. Okay. So now, okay. So can anyone say how can make a pentagon from this one? Pentagon means like this shape. This shape, pentagon, his hat, how I can make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This how I can make? Can I make this from a cube? In a single cut means I have to cut one and so do you think I can make a means pentagon? It is called pentagon. Penta means punch, 5. So pentagon, polygon like वैसे pentagon. Okay, like similarly pentagon. So let me show you how to do this one. We can make it from a cube. Okay. So now let's make his hat, chef hat. Okay. Okay. So now let's do. So you have to be very careful. Okay, with your knife. Okay, let's take a good cube from this one.
completed.
Okay, so now, okay, who has done? Who has completed? Anyone has completed Potato Man? This is pentagon. Madirala. Wait. Let. Ears and wait. Ears, I can see ears and I can see square.
Madam, you are completed.
Pentagon 5 side, have you done 5 side? 5 side have you done? What's your name?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name? Tell your name.
Archana, ma'am.
Archana. Oh, very nice. Did you make pentagon?
Yes, madam.
How? Means in a single cut? What are the vertices? Yes. So how did you cut? You cut means 5 sides you cut like this?
No, ma'am. No. 4 sides cut and draw triangle.
Okay. No. In a single cut means you have to use your knife only once. Okay. So now that like that you have to make pentagon. You cannot means carve out of this one.
One cut only do, ma'am.
Okay. So how did you cut? Can you show me? Can you show? You have extra cube. Can you show? The answer is looking right. Have you extra? This one is there extra cube?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you show how to cut? Okay. Okay. When you cut triangle, you got pentagon. Are you saying that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nice observation. If you cut triangle, let me show you in overhead. Yes. Nice observation. Okay. It is okay. So when you cut triangle, you get here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. If I draw this one, my cube is very that is. Okay, so let's do this one. So when you cut this triangle, you got a pentagon from another side. Yes, nice observation. But okay. So this side, because you cut a triangle here. That you were saying, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice observation, a very clever observation. But actually, this is the solution. Means one partial correct solution. Why? Because this is partial correct. What I said, when you cut a triangle, means whenever you cut in a single cut, there you should get a pentagon. Means when I cut it here, overhead, let me show you. This is partially correct because when I cut here, I got a triangle here and pentagon here. But I don't need this one. Means whenever I cut here, I got a triangle. So now if I want to cut in a single cut, so I should get a pentagon. Means this is okay, but partially correct. My question was not that one. Okay. So let me show you how to do. You can use this pentagon also, but means I wanted some other solution. Okay. So let's try it some other way. What I can do? Okay. So see carefully. Means I have to cut and I have to get the face as the pentagon. This is my aim. So for pentagon, I need 5 vertices. Where should I cut? I will point out where I should cut. These 2 vertices I got. Means here I will get 3rd vertex. Here I will get 4th. Okay. Let me show you. Once again, I will show you. Okay. So this one is the top face. I will get 2 points from in the middle. Okay. And means it's side face. I will get another vertices. Another point. And here is side face. Means here one face I will get. And this side. Right side I will get. Top face. And here. And this one is the corner one is the 5th one. Okay. So what are the faces? Let me show you, draw and show you. This one was my first line. This one is the second line, means opposite to that, above one. Sideways I have another line. Okay. And I will join this one. Okay. A little bit means tricky it is. But so top face I have 2 vertices. This one means here I will have another one. Middle means above one. Side I will have another face. And this means I should cut in such a way that the top face will reach here. opposite vertex down. Okay. So let me do this one. You have to hold your knife at an angle so that it will touch the other vertex. Okay. So you have to cut in such a way that you will cut here, here, and the vertices. Okay. So let us try. Okay. So one group should do this one. Okay. So if I hold, will I reach? So I have to cut precisely and I should touch in the corner. Okay. So see, I got. So what I get? So here. So that I was saying that answer was not wrong, but I needed that whenever you cut, on the top I will get a pentagon. So let's see how many faces are there. So since on potato color pen is not working, I will show you here. Means one face, two face, one side, two side, three side, four side, and five side. Okay. So I got a. So if I stamp it, I will color this one because it is already green color. So I will use color. So if I stamp it, whatever I get a pentagon. So I will get this side 2, this side 3, this side 4, and this side 5. So this one was my pentagon. And both pentagon I will get. This is also a pentagon because it was a cube. So shall I show it once again? Okay. Let's do it once again. Okay. So this one was your cube. With color it becomes very messy. So which dots I use?
Pentagon man.
I will see. Wait, once let us do once again. I have to cut from here till down. Okay. Means I have to cut this point till the opposite one. This one. Okay, here. So, but I have to touch this face. Means I have to touch this face and this face. Okay. So I will get 5 points. 2 points here and upper here 1 point and side mein 1 point and down 1. So if I cut at an angle, see if you can understand me. So if I cut at an angle and touch here down, I will get a pentagon. See if you can do. So if you cut, so it is not proper. My cut is not proper, so it will not do. So you have to hold your knife at an angle and slowly go through the corner. So both sides you will get a pentagon. So let me stamp it on my Aloo Man. Okay. I think so. In a single cut, I should get a pentagon on the face. Okay. So let's see what I'm getting. Let me test it on my rough paper. Then I will do it on my potato man. Let me test it on my rough paper. Let me test it. Okay. Oh. So let me trace it. So I will see because it is not cut properly. Because my cut was not proper. So, okay. So I will do it on my potato man. So because it is not proper, I will use my previous one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do. So let me make my colorful one. Potato man is his head. So I will see what height I should make. Okay. So here. So it is looking like a chef hat. Let's see if it is proper. Oh, nice. Okay. So did you all get? It is a little difficult, little tricky. Okay. Okay. So now let's proceed to make his belly. Okay. Only one portion is left because hands you already made. Only you need a hexagon for his stomach. Okay. So I can fold my paper. Okay, so it will look clear. Okay, now let's do, now if you have drawn pentagon, it is very clearly you can make a hexagon from this one. Shad bhuji you can make. Okay, so I will use another. So another group, one cube made this one and triangle. Another group should make pentagon and share it among your class. And one group should make his this one means hexagon and share it with your class. If you have more cubes, you can do. Okay. So let's do. So last, this one is the last. Okay. So I have a cube. Means how I will cut. It is the same manner. Okay. So here only you have to, because you need 6 sides, you will not touch the corner. It is the same one. See, here, previously what you were doing? You were doing here, okay. Means upper in the corner, okay. Here means this side corner and this right side corner you were touching. Okay, 4 points I got, but with pentagon I got 5th point was here. Now I need 6 points. So what I will do here and here. Okay, everyone's center points. So see, let me show you. Okay, this one was my square cube. So 2 points on the upper face, 2 points on the its upper side. One means 1 point here, 1 point here, side face here, and previously we were cutting till here. Now what we will do? We will cut on the boundary. So means if I have, so this portion, this line, side line down. Means don't means use the corner, use the 2 sides. Okay, 2 points on the sides. So this. So let's cut and see and down. We can't. It was very difficult to see. Let's do it and show. Okay. So whatever, how you were cutting in the pentagon, you were cutting it and bringing it to this one, touching this side and sideways. Okay. Now what you will do, you will cut, but don't touch the side. Don't touch the vertex corner. Touch these 2 sides here. Let me put it on paper and show you. Okay. So touch this point, this point, this point. Okay. This point. Previously we were touching this. Don't touch this one. Touch this one. Okay. This and this. Everyone has stopped. Okay. So now bring your cut from here and to this corner. Okay. So we will get a hexagon in a single cut. So what you will do? You have to means almost it is in flipping position. The the knife is almost in flipping position. Cut from here and bring it. Let's see if it is possible. So you have to be careful so that it touches here. All sides it should faces it should touch. Okay. If I do this one and bring it, it will be a little difficult to do. So, okay. So let's see if I get a hexagon or not. Let's mark its sides. One side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, and 6 side. Okay, this one is a little small, but it is a 6-sided hexagon. Okay. And here also, if I see, it will be a little difficult to recognize. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, small one 5 and 6. If my little cut, my cut means it was a little deviated, means a little slant, so it did not move properly. I will show you once again, but let me mark it on my Aloo Man. So since it is a 6-sided, okay, can you see it is 6-sided? I will touch. See, it will be a little funny. Okay, so I got. Means we will attach. Okay, so it is 6-sided. So one side here 2 side. One side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 and 6 side. So now, once again, let me show you. So this one almost completed. Now you had saved your hands, attach hands here. Okay, where I have to see where is my hand. Okay, so I have this bigger rectangle. So I will use this one. If you have smaller rectangle, you can cut and see. Okay, so I will do here since it is a rectangle, and I will do here. His hands are bigger than his stomach. So this one was our. If you can carve, if you have a small piece of this one, you can cut here and get a smaller rectangle. So it will be. So you can get a smaller rectangle. So for his hands, okay, smaller rectangle for his hands. So let me show you once last time how to cut a hexagon. Okay. So those who have not completed, your points will be here, and you have to. So your cube was like this. Your points were here. Side face you have to touch here. Means your cut should come here. Your cut should come here. Upper side. Okay. Every face the cut should come. Okay, and down. Okay, in the middle. Everywhere in the middle you should come. Here, here, and above. So 6 points I will get. And your previously in pentagon your cut was coming to the corner. Now it will come to the side. Okay. So now let's do this one. Make it sweep a little and try to cut. Let's see. Again, now it is perfect. So I get a hexagon. So border. So next question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a pentagon because it little deviated towards the corner. I got a by mistake. I got a pentagon here. So now means pentagon and hexagon are the same thing. But here I reach to the corner. Instead of sides, I reach to the corner. That's why you got a pentagon. But if you try to go to the side, you will get a hexagon. Okay, cut it in the and see every face you will get a when you were cutting in the hexagon. So if I complete this one, in every face you cut. Where is the face? Okay. So let me miss. So can you get a 7-sided polygon from this one? That is a question for all of you. So this one was our final product. Can someone wants to show you their Aloo Man? Made from single cut. So mine is a very funky immense one. Okay. So anyone wants to today's we have made our Aloo Man. So this one was our Aloo Man. Okay. So who has done more nice one than me? It is a big means it is very fat, and someone has done nice than me. They can show. Or anyone can show. Those who have completed their Aloo Man can show. Oh wow, very nice, Samshavad. Very nice. Okay. Very. Did you means in a single cut? Did you do na? In a single cut? Yeah. KGB Madirala. Very nice. Clap for everyone. You can clap your hands also. For everyone. Okay. Bashirabad also. Yes. Let me see who all have done. So did you enjoy like this or this one? Did you enjoy making your potato man?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
enjoy? Yes. Okay. Okay. So one last question. 2 homeworks were there. So we will share homework. Let me show you one more thing. Wait. Let me show you one more thing. 1 minute more. Okay. So I have a means I didn't tell you to bring, but I have this cucumber or means any cylindrical structure. If I cut it, Gongura or anything you have, na? Gongura, no. Any vegetable, cylindrical vegetable I can take. But if I cut it from... Only 1 minute. Cucumber I can take, or any cylindrical vegetable if I take. So this is the homework question. So that's why I am telling you. Okay. So I had this cucumber. I cut it from the any face. So here what I am seeing? I kept it like this and cut it like this. Okay. So in this way, what I am seeing? Which a circle. Means if I stamp it, I get a circle. Hai na? So in this face, what I am getting? This face. When I am seeing from here, I am seeing a circle. But if I am seeing from here, what I am getting? Can anybody say or write in the chat? What if I stamp it, what I will get? Because it is wet, na? It is not stamping. But it will be a square. Because it means it is water is flowing. So it will be a cucumber is made up of water, no? Mostly water. So it is not visible. So it's not visible. So means whenever I cut a cucumber in this manner, in one side I see a circle, one side I see a square. Hai na? So similarly, what shape? I don't have this one. In a cone, when you see a cone, what shapes you can see? From down you can see a circle, and whenever see a cone, it is like this, na? So whenever you see a cone, from down if you see it is a circle, from front if you see it is a triangle. Hai na? I don't have here, but you can visualize if your birthday hat or it means any cone like an ice cream cone. From front if you see it is a triangle, from down you see it is a circle. So means to answer homework questions. We have questions on cucumber. Potato we did in class. For homework, we have cucumber or any cylindrical vegetable. Many green vegetables are there in Andhra and Telangana. So I know that one. So you can. Okay. So enjoy cutting vegetables. Shamshabad. Very nice. Any other?
बहुत सुंदर था उन्होंने स्विच ऑफ कर दिया
कौन?
जनगांव
Janagaon, can you switch on your camera? हाँ, आदिलाबाद
कोड हाँ इनका देखो कलर है
हाँ अरे वाह wait Janagaon
स्पीकर भी
let me
स्पीकर भी
okay let me see because there are many one na, so in some videos we will wow Janagaon you have done very nicely so but in single cut have you all done na you have done so afterwards you can make it colorful Janagaon it very nicely then Chevala they have done many Aloo Man I can see you have made much beautiful than me Janagaon Chevala yeah and where Kallur also yes very nice Shamshabad I already said okay Madirala also very nice yellow and orange color any other one you can show on your camera okay you have learned today na so you can make your own potato man color man any other man you can make out of shapes hai na so if you make any other man you tell me okay with what you say Loki in that big one bottle gourd you can make shapes from bottle gourd also any vegetable you can take and you can make shapes
I can take brinjal.
yes brinjal also you can take but now if I was taking cucumber na it was not stamping because all water was flowing so you have to take you have to take such a vegetable that you can stamp also yes so any vegetable so have fun with vegetables and if you use haldi water or something you can use it in cooking but if you stamp it you cannot means if you use blue stamp you cannot use it further so did you enjoy
Yes, ma'am.
yes okay so we will meet again with more vegetables and more activities okay so bye
Bye. Bye.
So bye bye any means is it said in Telugu or it is bye bye only?
Bye.
Bye bye. Okay.
We are enjoying.
Okay. Bye bye. Bashirabad. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. We'll come to Telangana. Hyderabad में है ना कि आंध्रा? Telangana. हाँ. Because Andhra and Telangana means both are Telugu, so my friend is also from Telangana, so we will come. Yes, nice. Janaga, very nice.
Oh, thank you, madam.
So,
Bye.
everyone post their photos in the group also. Ma'am, please post them on the group also.
Okay, madam.
Bashirabad, Shamshabad, Janagaon, Kallur, Madirala, every KGBV they have done. Please send your means activity photo in the groups.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, Kita, madam. Good night.
Good night.